Welcome back to my channel. It's me, FIERS FEMME. This is my mirror, if you're wondering what that is. But I'm here today. Happy Valentine's Day. Time. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go hang out with my boyfriend. Probably just gonna drive around and do some little things together. And then, I mean, it's a pandemic, so we're not doing too much today, but we just want to be loving on each other. So I figured, why not take the opportunity to do my makeup? Duh. So today I'm gonna do a red look. I already have a red look on my page. I will link it in the cards above and below. Check that out. And that's a look that you could wear at any time. It doesn't have to be Valentine's Day. I keep saying it wrong, but yeah, and I'm gonna try to do something that's a little bit more different than that, because you know that's my typical go-to feather brush. I think I'm going to try the big cat eye look in red. And yeah, let's get into it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and let me know what looks you would like me to try. I will try every type of look. I think I have tried teal, yellow, pink. So just let me know what looks you want me to try with my makeup, and I could definitely execute it. You could send me photos on Instagram. I will link my Instagram right here, of any artists that you like their eye makeup looks and stuff like that, and I'll do my best to recreate it. All right, let's get into it. Okay guys, so here's the final look. Let me know if you like it. If you like this look, give me a thumbs up. This is something you could do when you're in the club. If it's Valentine's Day, you could do this for holiday season, or you could do this if you're just hanging out with your girls or your man, like I'm about to do. So have a great day, and I hope everybody's Valentine's Day is gonna be was good. Even if you don't have a lover partner, I feel like you should love on somebody today and spread love, because it's the Brooklyn way. And just spread love, period, because that's what's going to keep us going in this world. There's so much negativity nowadays that we just need some type of love, some type of affection. So hug your pet, hug a family member, let people know you love them today, because that's all this day is about. Alrighty, and yeah, this is going up after Valentine's Day, so let me know what you did. What did you get into for Valentine's Day? Did you do anything? Do you celebrate Valentine's Day? Is it not one of the holidays you care about? Let me know down below. Later.